Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's beginner's video I have 2015 Ford Taurus and I will show you how to use the parking brake. This video should apply to Ford Tauruses made from 2010 all the way up to 2019. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, so first I will show you the location of the parking brake. If you look under the steering wheel on the left side, you will see like a black pedal here. It's gonna say push on and off. So to engage the parking brake, what you will do, you will push with your leg on this pedal all the way in. And once you do that, the pedal will stay down. And here on the instrument cluster, you should be getting parking brake message. So that means the parking brake is engaged and the vehicle shouldn't move. Okay, now to disengage the parking brake while it is pushed all the way down, so what you have to do, you have to push it in again even more. So you'll see what I'm doing. You push it in until you hear a click and then just lift your foot off the pedal, and that's how you disengage it. And now I will quickly show you one more time. So to engage it, push this all the way in and remove your foot from the pedal. Now it's engaged. To disengage it, you want to push it in until you hear the click and then just move your foot off the pedal, and that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.